Hi everybody, I'm back again. The Black Wolf is here with my lovely assistant behind me. Hey, I fucked up intro. Yes, the Black Wolf here once again. Here's my assistant right here, the cameraman.
You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. We got some videos right here. Nose itches. Let's roll.
Bye-bye.
I have come to talk to y'all today. Oh shit.
Man, I wish the Black Wolf would pop up soon later. Haven't seen him in a long while. Yeah. What was that?
Out from the darkness, I appear.
Sounded like something came from behind me.
The Black Wolf is here. How you doing?
You see that shit? He came in my house.
Yep, when I come to rob your computer. Thank you so damn much.
Video on you, the cops are gonna get you.
Cameras on this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Hang on, give me a second here.
Oh, that's what I thought. What are you doing? Hey! You can't do that!
Yeah, I can. No evidence. No one to see. Ha ha ha.
Nothing but an old, boring old day. Yeah. I'm bored. Cut! What the shit was that? Yeah. Yeah, for now, the guy left or something. I don't know where he went. Yep. He left. Oh, it was so funny when he came here, though. He just Oh my God, what happened? Are you alright? Yeah. I guess he left. He had a sword or something, some kind of sword. And what happened was he tried to fight me and tripped over one of my cans. Something's wrong with my leg. I don't know what it is. I'm getting kind of tired. Good night, y'all. Oh! What was that? Are you alright down there?
I have come here to talk to y'all today because I am mad. I don't know why. God damn it. I've come here to talk to you today. Yeah, I sure did. God damn it. Motherfucking Spider-Man! I don't give a rat's ass about you. I got my own damn problems. What? It was because my suit don't match my damn mask? I think I give a shit? I'm retired, damn it. I quit. You save your own damn ass. Call Superman. He gives a shit. I sure the fuck don't. Thank you. Goodbye. I have come here today to talk to you. Yes, you. I am talking directly at you. You can see me. You know you can. God damn y'all people. Y'all gonna pay for this. That her?
What you reading?
Map? Oh man, I've got me a map here. It broke, oh well, who gives a crap? You see, I'm trying to find a location on here. You see this? I don't know what the hell it is, nothing but water. I see Alaska. Oh man, if I go to Alaska, you know, I don't really know. What the hell am I gonna do if I go to Alaska?
Sleep, rest, read other books.
I'm about tired of reading damn books. I got this whole damn map thing right here. It's a road atlas. It's not doing me no damn good because I don't know where the hell I'm going.
Well,
Oh, where the hell with it? Oh, this thing's broken. So shit on it. I'm coming to talk to y'all today because I don't feel like reading this damn thing no more. I'm gonna hurry and say it real quick and real fast. I'm coming to talk to y'all today because I don't give a shit no more and I don't feel like reading this damn line no more. Thank you. Goodbye. 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 I've come here today to talk to y'all. I'm very tired. Don't feel like reading the script no more. I'm going to bed.
Well, I'm just a pretty person. You can't blame me for being pretty. Look at you. You look like shit.
Hello, everybody, right now. It's me, the cameraman, that I normally do the camera, but you're the camera by yourself now. I found a homeless man on the street and let him come in my house. He's eating right now some of my pretzels. Here he is. How's the food?
It's pretty good.
Why you got that belt around you or whatever? Was it for a backpack you used to have, or was the cop stole it from you or something?
Yeah, look what they did to my shirt. They tore it all up. I got holes in it. Got holes everywhere.
Ain't that a shame?
Yeah. All this horrible bullshit. Every time you turn around, you can't get shit done around here.
He is a homeless.
I'm hungry. Quit looking at me. Go away.
Hey, you doing, boy? I'm beautiful. Ooh, yes, indeed. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, I'm so pretty.
Hello, everybody. Right now I'm at the Nut House. I'm about to meet up with the Matt reporter wherever he's at. Yep. I don't know where he's at, actually. Matt reporter? Is that you?
Yeah. I can't take it no more. There's shit everywhere up in here. I can't take it. What is this on my head? I can't see. Oh, no. Oh, good luck, good luck, good luck. Oh, oh. 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 See? I want this off of me. Get it off. I'm free. I'm finally free. Yes. Oh, come on.
Are you alright? Are you? Ow! Oh, that'd be the first time I get hurt. Oh.
That's it. I got my drink back. I'm gonna drink it till it's fucking loaded.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
What the you doing?
Shit.
Man, what are you looking at? I'm a fucking biker. I don't give a shit about you. I don't give a shit about me. I mean, fuck.
Oh, hello, everybody. The electric just finished going off. And what was that noise? I heard something. Is there anything back there? What was that flashing? There it goes again. What's that noise? Who's there? Is that the man reporting in my house? Black Wolf? What are you doing here?
Light.
I thought you hated the light. Remember you're a wolf?
Oh!
Are you alright?
No! The light bulb went out my ass. It hurts. It burns. Man, what are you looking at? Oh, I hit my fucking hand.
Oh!
Man, what you looking at? I was at... Son of a bitch.
All right.
Darn.
Oh!
Yeah, happy ending.
Hello, everybody. Here I am with Bookman, the dumb scientist.
Man, why are you going to tell me something like that? That ain't very nice. That's very rude of you to do that. You know that?
What?
I just love to read, man. I'm alright reading.
Well, you always reading books?
Yeah, man. I got me a fantastic one right here. Man, you ought to see it. Look, let's take a look at it right here. I said, what the hell? Oh, what you know? It's my diploma from high school. I can't believe it. I'd be looking everywhere for this piece of shit. I'd be damned.
Yeah, you'll be glad if you won. Be glad if you're in grade 1.
Man, I was way at the top, man. I was just good. I was so damn good.
What grade were you in?
Oh. I was in the high school. That's where I was at. I was way up there. Way up there. You couldn't understand that.
You mean you were in the clouds?
I think. I don't know where the hell I was at. I know I was way up there. See, I got my diploma. Look at that. See? Booyah! Booyah, son of a bitch. Booyah!
Man, what the fuck you looking at? Huh? You wanna get serious up in here? Huh? You wanna get serious? Huh? You don't know who you dealing with. You shut the fuck up, boy. I'm a damn biker. I'll run
You
you
shut
down
the
there.
heck up!
I forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Oh, shit.
You said you goof off too damn much. Oh. Man, what y'all looking at? Huh? Y'all wanna start some shit right here? Huh? I'm a fucking biker. I'll run your ass over. I won't give a shit about it. Look at, see this kid here? You see? That's what I'm talking about. You look at me, you look me dead in the eye. I see you. I see you.
And that's about all the bullshit I have for y'all today. Yeah, have a good one, y'all.
오빤 강남스타일